and welcome to Fun in the Kitchen with April. And as you can see, I have my beautiful new apron by Rocket for His Glory, and I will have their information in the description box and also within this video here so that you too can order your own t-shirts, aprons, whatever it is you want. Now, I did purchase this. This was not given to me. So I did, no one gave this to me for free. But they did such a wonderful job. I just have to give them a shout out and let you guys know if you need t-shirts or any type of printing, you can go to Rocket for His Glory. And that's t-shirts and sweatshirts, aprons, whatever you need, they can do it. Okay. So I have my beautiful cousin with me, Ivy.
Hello.
And we are getting ready for the holidays. And so today we decided we are going to make you a couple of holiday drinks. All right, we'll be back. All right, we are back. And so we are going to start our holiday drinks off with Chocolatini. So what we need for the Chocolatini is Bailey's Irish cream and the chocolate liqueur and some vodka. Okay, so let's whip up our chocolatini. So we have a martini glass and one plastic cup, okay, because that's just what we got. So I'm gonna make two chocolatinis. But the recipe, if you're making just one, you're only going to need 3 ounces of the Baileys, 2 ounces of the chocolate liqueur, and 1 ounce of the vodka. But I'm going to double this up because I am making for me and my cousin. So I am actually going to do, I made 6 ounces because it's 3 ounces of Baileys. So we're going to do 6 ounces of Bailey's cream. I probably should have got something to mix it up then, right? I probably should have got a bigger measuring cup. That's okay. Hold on 1 second. Let me get the bigger measuring cup because we need more wash. Hold on. Okay. All right, so as you can see, I got the bigger measuring cup. It's okay. So now we need 4 ounces of chocolate liqueur. Okay, Ivy, open up that chocolate liqueur. We're going to put 4 ounces of chocolate liqueur. Okay. And I'm using the measuring cups because I want to get it right. Now, for all of you people who do this on a regular, you probably don't need to measure, but I need to measure. Okay? And we're going to pour this in here. Oh, this smells good already. Oh my goodness. And then, so we're going to need 2 ounces of vodka. There we go. Okay. And guys, this is, again, this is a great holiday drink. You can enjoy this with your friends, or if you have family members coming over, you can enjoy this and have a good time. Sit back and relax by the fireplace if you have a fireplace, because we are certainly going to enjoy this. And you know what? I didn't think about this. You know what I probably should have got? I probably should have got some chocolate, a chocolate bar and crushed it up and then put it around the rim. Because that would be good to do. I didn't think about it, but yeah. We'll do this again with some other drinks and we'll be better at it. Okay, see, we got the martini glass. I'm going to give that to Ivy. Okay. And I'm going to pour mine in here. And give Ivy a little bit more just to even it out. Okay. So So this is our first drink. This is the Chocolatini. So we're going to cheers to Biden getting in office.
Yes.
Cheers.
Very good.
This is good. Yeah.
Very good.
This tastes like chocolate milk with some alcohol in it. This is good.
Very good.
But you know what? I like my drinks cold.
Cold.
We should have put this on the rocks. But this is good.
Very good.
It's
very good.
Yeah, I should have put that on the rocks. Oh, it says shaken, serve, chilled with ice. Oh my goodness, I'm a mess. But we'll be back with another drink. Okay, so we are still enjoying our chocolatini, but we're gonna make another drink that has no alcohol in it. So this is for everybody to enjoy. It is a Christmas punch. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of do this one 2 ways. And what we need for this, before I get my measuring cup, what we need for this, we're gonna use orange juice, cranberry juice, pineapple juice, and ginger ale. Now I have 2 kinds of ginger ales here. I think both would be great. So I have the cranberry ginger ale and regular ginger ale. So I think they're kind of going to be great in this punch. So I'm going to make it 2 ways. Okay. So first, let's do 2 cups of orange juice. Let's shake up this orange juice. I have to get the... You're fine. Listen, they're in there watching football, so it's okay if you hear some extra noise back there, okay? So that's what's going on here, okay? So anyway, back to our 2 cups of orange juice. Make sure you shake up your orange juice. 2 cups of orange juice. 2 cups of cranberry juice, okay. And get the ginger. Oh, there's the can opener and the pineapple juice and the ginger ale. So we're gonna do 2 cups of the cranberry juice. So this is gonna pretty much fill this cup up, and that's fine because we have this one. And now, if you don't mind, can you look in the dishwasher and get me, or it might be underneath the thing, and get me the other measuring cup. So we're going to just fill the remainder of this measuring cup up with cranberry juice. So 2 cups of orange juice, 2 cups of cranberry juice, and actually this juice is grape cranberry, but it works the same way. So that's, oh, go like that. Yeah. And actually I need a little bit more of cranberry juice because it didn't fill it up. There we go. Thank you, sir. And so we're going to do 1 cup of, we're going to do 1 regular ginger ale and 1, what is this? Cranberry ginger ale. Okay? And yes, they're gonna just keep on talking. So I mean, I don't know what to tell you here. Okay, so we're gonna do 1 cup of pineapple juice. Actually, you know what? Use this one because this one is just 1 cup. Yeah, 1 cup of pineapple juice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna use that. We'll use that ginger ale. And I be looking at me like, hey, teacher, be like this over his glasses, y'all. My son be looking at me like this. Oh, that's okay. I know, just use that napkin. It's okay. We're making a bit of a mess. Right. Okay, so put 1 cup of ginger ale in here.
Okay.
And because my husband wants, he wants to be fancy, and have his in a big cup. I'm gonna put some ice in his cup, and then we're gonna get our beautiful children over here to sample theirs as well. So we need to mix this up, but I probably do need to put it in that bowl so I can mix everything. Yeah. Well, I could probably put this in there. Would that work? Okay. Yeah. That might be. Is it a cup? Oh, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. We could probably put that in there. Okay. And mix that up. Mix this up.
Oh, yes. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that should be good. Yep. Okay, perfect. We look like we doing a science experiment. And we're gonna put some ice in the cups over there for our beautiful kids. Yep. So what I'm doing, because I put it in 2 separate measuring cups. If you can see here, we got it in 2 separate measuring cups. I'm just kind of stirring up everything in both cups because we're going to intertwine them in each of these cups. Okay? So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour some in this cup first. And then pour some of this in here. Ooh, I need to have a pretty garnish. This looks good. Oh, I should have got some mint or something. Okay, let's pour some of this in this cup. And we'll pour some of this in that cup. I'm just making a mess here. That's all right. Then I'll put the tablecloth in. Okay, Amaya. So you gotta come over here and tell our YouTube family how you like it. So I want you to taste it. Okay, now. Come around here next to Ivy. On the other side. Here.
It's good.
It's good?
So you gotta, they can't see
You
you.
got, oh, you gotta scoot down. Okay, wait. Here. Sit right
You
here.
can't see the top of it.
Oh, because you got, nah, you gotta grab a chair. We all got our drinks.
You can see that.
Oh my God. Okay, he's being extra, y'all. So tell our YouTube family how good your drink is.
It's good.
Amaya.
It's good.
It's good? What does it taste like? It's a mix of everything. So that is our Christmas punch. So this drink again has no alcohol in it. So everyone in your household can enjoy this. If you decide to have company during Christmas or Thanksgiving, this would be good for the kids as well. I know not too many people may be doing that because of COVID, but however, if you decide to have company, this would be a great punch to make. It has a little fizz, definitely lots of sweetness. I think everyone will enjoy that. Thank you, guys. Bring this up which way from the thing.
It looks pretty.
Yes, it does, doesn't it? It looks great. Wait, you want to clink, 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 clink?
No, I was trying to give it to you.
Well, that's yours. You can drink it. Would you giving it back to me? Oh my God. Do you see what we are going through tonight? Don't you waste that drink, boy. That's a good drink.
I'll put that in there.
Yes. Okay, so clearly we're having fun. This is Fun in the Kitchen with April and Ivy today. So give us a second because we have another drink that we want to show you. And that's going to be nice and creamy too. And this next drink is alcoholic. So please, 21 and over to drink. 18 to party, but 21 and over to drink. Okay, so clearly I forgot to make the, the Christmas punch with this as well. But as I said, you can use the cranberry ginger ale as well. However, I know I was gonna make 2 alcoholic beverages, but I don't think we're gonna make it tonight after this chocolatini. So there will be a part 2 on holiday drinks. We can do that because it's not gonna happen tonight. However, thank you for watching, and remember, like always, to like, subscribe, comment, and press the notification bell so you know the next time I have a great recipe coming for you. Bye.